So I just came around the van, and I walked right past this. Didn't even notice it until I came back. Can you see that? Spider web right here. Attached to the garage and attached to my van. And I was looking, and look at that thing there. I sprayed it with some vinegar trying to get it off there, but look at that spider. I don't remember ever seeing a spider like that. Can you see that? She's like the abdominal part is yellow with like black markings. Her legs are like orange, and then the ends of the legs are like gray, black, and then gray. Look at that thing. I don't know if you can see that spider web. Now look at this, that spider. I don't know if you can see. Ooh. Oh, I saw a drip and I thought it was a spider falling on me. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to focus on that spider, but look at that thing. I'm going to see if I can get this thing out of here. I got some vinegar. I know it's not going to help, but it's going to be, I don't have anything else, I think. Try to focus there. See if I can focus a little bit better. Oh, she's right there. There she is. Look at that thing. Where is she? Oh, right here. Look at that. You see that? Oh my moly, look at that. See if I can get a better. Look at that thing. I'm sure that thing is poisonous. Let me see if I can get. Oh! Got it! Woo! Where is she? Okay, I see her. Right here. Look at that thing. Where is it? You see it right there? Look at that thing. What is that? Somebody knows what that is? What kind of spider? Alright, stay away from my van. Look at that thing. You see that? Look at that color. I have never seen a spider like this before. I bet that that thing is highly poisonous. Either she's highly poisonous, or that's just a disguise looking like she's poisonous, but she's not really poisonous. I don't know. Look at that thing. Wow. Wow. So let me see. I don't know if I'm in focus, but I just got off the bed. So today on the lifestyle of poisonous spiders, we present to you live the yellow spider. We shall call her the yellow spider. There she is, right there. Look, 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 look. Where is she? Where is she? Where? Where? We lost the spider. Oh no! I'm gonna go with my hands. I'm gonna look for her. Oh, are you kidding me? I really want to bring this thing in, into the open so I can see her a little bit better. Let's put a little bit more vinegar. I think she likes vinegar. It's like, yummy. Vinegar. I don't think vinegar is killing her, but I don't think I want to kill her, but I don't want this thing on my van. I mean, look at that. Man. And we going down. Oh, look at her legs. You see that? Look at her legs. She's ready to strike something. I'm gonna I have this see that? I have this piece of leaf, and let's see what she does. You ready? Oh, look at her legs are ready to attack. Ooh, look at that. She's like, oh, I know you're a leaf. I knew you were a leaf. You're not fooling me. Man, that thing is nasty. I mean, just that collar alone, it's just like, whew. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you want a little bit more vinegar? Little spider want more vinegar? There you go. Vinegar. What? What? No, oh, you were pretending I killed you. Aha. Stay away from my van. You hear me? Don't pretend like you don't understand me. Alright? Don't walk towards me. Don't walk towards me. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. What? I almost dropped my phone. Almost went down. Yeah, you lady, guy, whoever you are. Let's see if you want some more vinegar. Ooh, nice. Ooh, yummy. Vinegar. Vinegar. Oh yeah, vinegar. Look. Look at me. I'm pretending to be dead. Look at me. Pretending to be dead. Oh no, I'm alive. Well, anyway. I don't want to kill this thing. But I don't want this thing on my van. So, please stay away. Yes, go away. Go. Go away. Bye. Bye, spider. Please do not come back to my van. Okay? Please do not come back to my van. You are very, very, very nasty. Look at that thing. Oops. Yeah. We're going to get a close-up of you. Close up. Alright, say goodbye to the camera. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Don't come back, please.